will I make known the faithfulness to all generations. Yung verse 2, your unfailing love will last forever. What's the next word? Hindi pa pala nakano sa PowerPoint. Faithfulness is as enduring as the heavens. Okay, another passage, Jeremiah 33 verse 3. Call to me, and I will answer you, and show you great and mighty things, which you do not know. Last passage. Therefore, you are great, O Lord God. For there is none like you, nor is there any God besides you. According to all that we have heard with our ears. That's in 2 Samuel chapter 7, verse 22. Makakapo na po tayong lahat. Palapakan natin sa dali ang Panginoon.